And I'll be applying my gel to lay the edges. You can actually do this when you're done, depends on you. Now take my attachment. Depends on the size you want actually. So this is how big I want it to be. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, you can actually rock this out. Some people actually do. It's up to you, but I want to make what I'm making. So you will now braid it after dividing it into two. You don't have to necessarily cover the band because when you come to wrap it, it's real close. So because of the lockdown, you have to learn how to make your hair yourself. Stop at this point and wrap it round, but I prefer to do it all. I think aside from this is the easiest hairstyle you can actually make because this was what gave me a tough time. I started braiding as if I was going backwards, forward. I don't even know what I was doing. So African style Bantu Knots. Have you subscribed yet? If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscription button and click on the notification icon so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Please subscribe, like, and help me share. As you can see, I'm almost done with the hair. Left with just two, and we will be done for today. Subscribe, please subscribe. I'll keep singing till you hit that subscription button. Please do your girl a favor, just tap on the subscription button and drop your comments below. Let me know what you think about my hair. Subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Please help me share if you love this video and drop your comments, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. You watching. Please subscribe. So after I got done, I had to dip this in hot water. Then I'll be adding my beads to it. This is how long I want it to be. Okay, so this is the final look. I had to burn the tip and I added some band to it. I don't know if you can see the band. Yeah, as you can see, I did some little makeup just to brighten up my face. Thank you for watching, and Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. Drop your comments below and tell me what you think about this look. I hope to see you on my next videos. Bye. Rockin'.